Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Shades of Grey. This time we are unboxing the Fall 2021 Curateur box. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but it used to be the box of style. Everything is cultivated by Rachel Zoe. The box promises at least $400 worth in value of stuff every single season. If you pay per season, it's $100 per box. However, if you pay for the entire year, it's $350. So you save $50 by paying for the entire year, and you get access to their exclusive shop. Now, their exclusive shop allows you to get brand name things at a very discounted price. I'm sorry, you guys. I don't know what's going on with my voice. I know that I'm not sick. I have no idea what's going on and why it's being so rough on me today. But let's get to this box, okay? All right. So the first thing I see in here, which the one thing I was excited about when they did the sort of the preview for the box, was this wrap. So it was ParishLA. It is valued, and the tag is still on it, valued at $148. Sorry. All that stuff is all the crinkly paper inside. Oh my gosh. I love the colors for sure. All right. Put this on. Oh, wow. Yeah. That is definitely nice. And it feels good too. You get the belt, it's perfect. And if you had their box a couple seasons ago, they gave you this really nice belt for another wrap. And so I'll be wearing it with this one. But this is really nice. It feels so soft. Let me see what material this is. Hopefully it's on the tag if I can find it. Doesn't really say. So I'm really trying to find this tag, you guys. I know I'm like completely covering up my face from the camera, but you don't need to see my face for me to do my job. Well, let me do this job. This is not my job. So this is 100% acrylic. Okay. So if you are worried about wools or anything like that, no, this is 100% acrylic, which is good. Because I know everybody has allergies. So and wool is very itchy for me. I'm not allergic to wool. The fabric is itchy. But I actually like the fact it's acrylic. The only thing about acrylic, if you ever like made anything like crochet, you cannot have acrylic near open flame. Boom. Like go up like a freaking candle. So, but other than that, for acrylic, it's extremely soft, and I love the pattern. It's very boxy, very choppy, very cute, and valued at $148. I don't know about y'all, but I have never spent $148 on a wrap, even when I made it myself. Never done that. So next, we got the Naeem candle. Let me get out my trusty knife. I know whenever I do unboxings and my mom sees me with the knife, she instantly gets scared because she knows how I am with the knife. All right, so this is a rose candle. Ooh. As you can see, very, very pretty designs. Kind of like a pearl thing going on. And it does smell good. Because sometimes when you get stuff that's rose, it's too strong and it's almost like the rose is choking you. But this is actually very well scented, very nice, and it is valued at $95. Yeah, $95 candle. It goes way beyond your Bath and Body Works. But it does smell really nice. And like I said, do not have this candle near that wrap. Oof, not good look. Excuse me. Gotta. Like I said, I don't know what's going on with my voice. Like it says here in the book, $95. And here is your wrap. So pretty. All right, next we have the Nuori, Nuori, and this is a vital repair serum. Now I will say my mom was telling me that if I found some serum, just to automatically just give it to her. I still want to use serum myself, so we'll see how this goes. We'll see if she says she doesn't want it, I'll take it. But this serum is valued at $69, and it is for rehydrating and soothing antioxidant complex. So let me see how this goes on. She won't mind if I take a little bit. At least I'm trying to take a little bit. So pretty pearl color. Goes on smooth. It's not something that absorbs quickly, but it is free of radicals, inhibits pigmentation, causing melanin production, and deeply hydrates your skin to repair and protect against signs of photo damage. In other words, it protects your skin against the sun. But it feels really, really nice on the skin. And it's like that lotion that never quite absorbs, but it still feels silky and it still feels nice, and you kind of just want to rub because it feels good. And if you have access to the box, and you have access to this shop, and on the shop their Vital Body Balm is reduced from $62 to $42. Their Enriched Hand Wash is reduced from $32 to $22. And their Clarity Mask goes from $49 to $35. So that's the kind of deal they give you with access to their shop, is that they give you a savings on other products. So that is the Nuori. My Japanese class is failing me right now because I cannot pronounce certain words anymore. But like I said, valued at $69. What's next in this box? Now this one was a choice. In every subscription they give you a choice between two products. So it was a choice of two different bracelets. And I'll show you the picture of the other bracelet, because this is the one that I got. It was so unique and very, very pretty. But I had a hard time choosing between the two bracelets. I'm not gonna lie. I actually left it up to committee. And what I mean when I say committee is my mom, my sis, and my two sisters. I'll send them a picture of the two options. I'll say, which one do you guys like? And they'll you say, get this one, get this one. But yeah. So, and the clasp here. And it's thin. Luckily my wrist is actually pretty small. So if you had a wider wrist, this may not fit you. But I'm one of the people that always have to get links taken out of things. And there it goes. Very pretty. It does have a lot of weight to it. It's not something that's very thin. But here are your choices of bracelets. So this is the one I chose, and that's the one you could have gotten. All right, and this bracelet was valued at $89. And it says layer with everyday timepiece, or pair simply with the sculptural hoop earrings for elegant look. So the reason why my mom and both of my sisters actually picked this one is because it looks so different. They was like, it looks like a watch, but it's not a watch, and it's really cool. And so, and it was like, you already have bracelets like the other one, especially if you subscribe to this box, you've had this bracelet so many times or something that looks similar to it. So they pretty much just said, hey, you know, we like this one best, and I like it too. So this works for me for 89 bucks, and I can see spending that on a bracelet. That makes perfect sense. And like I said before, if you get the box, you get access to their shop, and their shop had these other pieces that you can get for the prices. So the necklace was valued, it started at $99, you get it for $65. The earring started at $89, you can get that at $55. And the ring started off at $59, you get it for $35. So that's the good thing about having access to this shop. All right, so the final thing in this box is the eyeliner. And kind of iffy when it comes to eyeliner. But I was happy when I saw that this color was jet black. And it's valued at $20. So I'm going to see if I can get a little bit on. It's very difficult for me working because I'm seeing myself backwards. It goes on pretty smooth. I will give them that much. In my skin, it takes time for eyeliner to actually show up on my skin. So the fact this goes on pretty smooth is nice. I don't wear my eyeliner really thick unless I'm going to like a party, a nighttime party, but you can tell the difference between the two eyes. So this is actually really nice. I like the fact that it's jet black. I know some people don't like jet black, but I'm one of the ones that do. And on this end, it is, and by the way, this is Jillian Demsey, jet black waterproof mascara. I'm sorry, eyeliner. Oh, I just messed that up. I'm losing my mind. But this side is a bit thicker. I think this is a smudger. Yeah, so this end is a smudger. I'm not good at smudging. Usually Leslie will do the smudging for me because I'm so bad at it. We're gonna try it simply because I'm here with you guys. So you can see that I'm like not fibbing when I tell you I'm like really bad at smudging. I know everybody's like, it just takes practice. But I'm one of the people that like, I put makeup on for a purpose. And then after that, I'm pretty much done. And I take it off as soon as I get home because I'm just completely done with it. That, and I have a job where I work from home 100% of the time. And then I'm constantly rubbing my face because I'm just stressed out when I can't get my code to function properly. I'm like, ugh. So wearing makeup in my field is not really ideal. So that is everything in the box. So you have the mascara at $20. You have the Vital Repair Serum coming in at $69, I believe. Yes, $69. You have the candle at $95. And you have the wrap at $148. I'm just making sure everything's out of the box. Okay, so that is everything. So let me get my trusty calculator. I should have had this out from the jump. Usually I do these prices before I get to the video, but I decided to make the video at the last minute. So 148 plus 95 for the candle, plus the bracelet for 89, and then we have the eyeliner. So this box came at 152. Wait a minute. Am I tripping? Okay. So once again, let's go through this once again because, you know, I'm going to double check for you guys. Okay, so we have my bracelet that came in at 89. Then you have the wrap that came in at 148. Then we had the candle at 95. Then we had the serum for 69. All right, that's looking better. And then you had the eyeliner at 20. So that is $421, and I paid $100 for this box. If you gave this all to me and said this was $100, would I spend it? Yes. I would have spent $100 on all four of these items. Because the bracelet alone would have been worth it to me, even though it's less than $100. But the bracelet and the wrap together would have been worth $100 to me. Like I said, I love the bracelet. It's very beautiful, and the wrap is stunning. You can dress that up, dress that down. You see, I wore that with a white shirt and a pair of jeans, and I love the way it looked. I can't wait to see that on one of our black dresses. Then you have the eyeliner. I'm always a fan of black eyeliner. Then we have this cream, which I'm probably going to end up losing to my mom, but it is what it is. And the candle is amazing. It's been right underneath my nose the entire time, and I don't feel like I'm dying from the toxic fumes that you usually get from other candles. So to me, this box was completely worth it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you saw the candle, the bracelet, the cream, the eyeliner, and the wrap on the shelf and it said a price tag, this is $100, would you buy it? Would you think it was worth $100 for all the items? Let me know what you think. So like, comment, and subscribe. As I always say in the end, when I remember, in life there's black and white, but with me, you're getting one shade of gray because my other shades are not here. Hopefully we get them back soon enough. All right, guys, bye.